Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to unlink your Steam account with your Rockstar Social Club. So this should be the Rockstar Social Club, right? And then simply log into your account and simply click on this icon. Click on settings and then wait for it to load out. Click on link accounts right there. And then you're gonna see right here the only link accounts that are currently possible to be linked and unlinked are Xbox, PlayStation, Amazon, Twitch, Facebook, and Google. Now, as you can see right here, Steam is not available. You can only see the Steam icon right there, but you cannot unlink it. So I have a way for you guys to unlink that one even though you cannot see it here. Simply go back to the icon of your account, click on Help, and click on Support. Okay? Now from here on out, you're gonna see a lot of support categories, but first click on Social Club first, and then click on Social Club account. Of course, since this is gonna be a linking or unlinking Steam with your Social Club, click on the account linking. Click on the PSN ID of your Social Club account or nickname for your PC. Input the description, for example, I want to, give me a second, I link my Steam with my Social Club Rockstar account. Basically, that's it. To support your document, just upload a screenshot of the Steam of your account or your Rockstar Social account and upload it here. Submit web ticket. Basically, you just need to wait for 24 hours for the agent or their support team to contact you, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.